We're here today, we're getting ready to change out the suction canister on Bryson's suction set here, and Mr. Glen is with us and he is going to demonstrate how we do that. Glen, tell us about the brand of the canister.
This is a vacuum A unit that we're using. We're replacing it with a suction kit from Sunset. This is a new suction canister unit in the box. We're going to be taking this off and putting a new one on. We're going to be removing this canister now. The short plastic tube goes into the unit itself. The longer tube is going to come around here. This little filter is directional, and you have to make sure that you have it pointed in the right direction. So I'm going to be removing this now. Taking the whole unit, we're disposing of the whole unit and the suction tube. Now we're going into the new box, getting the canister and the top out. Here's your filter, top. Whenever you pour it out, if you're going to reuse it, you do not want to get this wet. This is a hole that's going to be used to, if you want to reuse it, to dump everything out. This is our little tubings. This is the short one and the long one. First thing we're going to do is put the short one on the filter that has N. N is going into the machine. And we're going to be attaching the short tube on that end side. Push it in. You have two little levels to lock. Push it down onto the machine, which is kind of hard to do. All right, we've got that assembled. Next, we're going to be putting our longer tube on the top. Make sure it's secured down very well. Now we're going to be assembling our top to our canister. And it's just a snap fit. It doesn't really, kind of hard to get it on there. There it goes. Okay. All right. Now we have our big hole here. In the box, there's a plug for that. I go ahead and plug that up because we want to keep everything inside. Push it down. Next, I'm going to turn this port. This goes to your suction tubing. I'm going to turn it. This plug is normally attached here, but it broke off in shipping, so it's still good. It'll still work. Place that down. Have that side back. Your suction tubing port is going out. This is a tube that connects to the silicone tube here. So that's your longer tube of the two tubes. I find it easier to put the short one on and then do most of the flexing with the longer tube. That's why it's set up that way. Now we have everything ready to go, and we're going to attach our suction tubing to that. Doesn't matter which end, either one will work. We'll go in, and now we're going to be putting our Lil Sucker silicone. It's very flexible, doesn't hurt the mouth so much. We're going to put this on the other end of the tube. I usually leave it in the pack so it'll stay clean until you start using it. And then there we go. Now it's ready to be used, and we're going to show you how it's going to work. This is a battery powered unit, and we're going to be, we have it disconnected from the wall right now, but we're going to show you, we usually put mouthwash in this to help kill some of the germs and keep the odor down. And we're going to cut it on. Here's the on switch. We're going to apply our thumb over this. make sure it works.
Okay.
I put my thumb over the hole.
Show your thumb. Show your thumb. Let's see that. Okay. I'll go again.
Go again.
So it's all ready to go and ready to be used.